Our second day of snorkeling took us to the Belize barrier reef. On the way out, we weaved through the mangrove islands and docked for a bit at the resorts out near the reef. Back in the water for some more exploring. The currents were a bit stronger than at Glover Reef Atoll, but we still saw a lot of lovely fish and coral. The nurse sharks were more prevalent too. While we explored a variety of depths, there were some spots that were quite shallow, putting you right on top of the coral. I think this is a school of French grunts. Ooh, a parrotfish. I saw a lot more of this dark red coral than we did at the atoll. I really love these purple things. Keep an eye out for sharks and enjoy the rest of the video.